This here is a text network visualization of those 3 books made using infranodus.com. What it does is that it visualizes the content of the books as a network graph, where we can quickly see the main terms that I use inside this book. So for example, here we see that the author is talking about people, world, human. We also have topic modeling here, where we can see the main topics such as world, global war here on the one side, and then also people, belief, million here on another side, something about human history and AI. So we have this topic modeling tool built inside. We can also generate taxonomies based on all those terms using the AI. So we see that the author in general is talking about politics, spirituality, and technology. And these 3 books were actually Yuval Harari's Sapiens, Deus, and 21 Lessons. So we see what those books are about. We can also then go and see how the trend evolved over time. So we see that the topics are changing as the books evolve. And then we also have sentiment analysis that shows us what is the sentiment inside, positive, neutral, negative. You can also use it for any other text, so spreadsheets, customer reviews, and so on. And then we can also go into relations and we can click on some terms to see in which context they're used. So for example, here, if I click on AI human ability, then I can see that it's used with making, creating. So it's something about creating together with AI. I understand the meaning. And then I can also go here and see in which context of the text, of the original text, these 3 terms were used actually. So I can also quickly get to the parts of the book that are interesting and read it in a non-linear way. So I don't only get all those different tools of text mining here that detects topics and sentiment, but I can also explore this content in a non-linear way. And in addition to this, there is also a function that allows us to identify a structural gap inside this network. So for example, here, it identifies 2 topics that could be connected but are not very well connected. And then it proposes us to think of a connection between them, which we can do ourselves, or we can also use the AI. And to avoid criticism, it can also generate research questions, so it doesn't have to do your job for you, but it uses GPT-3 AI to generate interesting facts, or if you don't want facts, research questions to help you think in a different direction in relation to this original discourse. So here it generates some ideas, and we can add them into the graph also by clicking this button here. So this is how it works. You can try it out on infranodus.com with your own texts or your own books or any other data, and let us know how it works and if you have any questions. Thank you.